Hello everyone, our video today focus on how to create 3D model on Blender, so please, if you find this video tutorial useful for you, don't forget to support me by click on subscribe. Let's open Blender. Then click on General. Delete the cub, then disappearing the camera and light for free space. I click on Shift+A. Choose Sphere, make it smooth as your laptop can. Turn to Edit mode. I click on R. Rotate it 90 degrees. To select the other side, click on Toggle X-ray. Then extrude the part you have selected by click on E from the keyboard. Delete the rest part. Select rest vertexes. Scale them by click on S from the keyboard. Then duplicate it. Then rotate it around the axis 180 degrees. Select the two again, then rotate them around the axis Z 90 degrees. Back to object mode. Then choose cylinder. Drag it to inside. Go to Edit mode. Scale the high area.
Then, click from keyboard on button E to extrude. Let's gather cylinder and sphere. I click from keyboard, Ctrl+J. Go to Material Properties to give it a color. Let's use red color. Then go to Metallic and make it max to sounds as real. Then reduce roughness. Something sounds not normal in our model. Click on a part of base. Then click Shift plus Alt plus left button mouse. Let's extrude the base area. And make it more attractive. Now, our model seems good, and ready put it as head of water faucet. But before that, we have to hide the head, to focus on the second part. Now let's go to work on second part. To do that, we need to work on cylinders. Then we have to duplicate our cylinder. Next step, rotate it 90 degrees, then extrude it into seams proper. Select the two-side surface of cylinder. And intrude by. Click on I from keyboard. Now delete the parts selected. Now, go to second cylinder. Then scale the high area. Next step, click on E from keyboard to extrude. Second step, click from keyboard Ctrl plus R to have yellow circle. Third step, click on one part between the two yellow circle and from keyboard click on Shift plus Alt plus left button mouse to make all area between the two yellow circles has been selected. Then click from keyboard on I, then follow it button S, as you can see now. Next step, select the high area, then click on I to intrude. Second step, extrude it by click on E, then follow it the same steps we did before. Now, let's add bolts. If you didn't find it, you need just to go Preference, then from Add-on, search for Bolt, and activate it. Next step, click Shift plus A, you will figure out that's appear. Sorry, we need return to object mode. Then, deselect the model. And click on Shift plus A again. From Mesh, look for Bolt. Well done! We can see the bolt in the collection. Next step. Change the settings like I'm doing.